Hello guys, welcome again. In this video we will do another project. It's called number converter, and here we will give a number and this program convert that number to binary number. First let me run and show you. We're decimal 0, 1, 1 and 2, 1, 0. When I increase the number, can you see? I can see the decimal binary number equal to this number. Okay, what's going on in this project? Actually, as you can see, we used same functions the project before. First, we are importing ipywidgets as widgets, and our input is decimal input widgets in text description decimal, and we don't have value here. But if you want to enter put value, 1 minute. Okay, value equals, like if you want to start with 5, you can run in this way, and you are seeing 5 here, and when you change, you are seeing the number here. Okay, binary output, we just level, we are defining level here, and we are defining a function convert to binary change. Input is change here, and decimal equals decimal input value here, decimal input value, and binary bin, we are using bin function to convert a number to binary number, and binary output value will be binary equals here binary is the value. After that, decimal input observe convert to binary value, and here you know that we are putting like observer on decimal input, and whenever the value here change, this line run convert to binary function again. After that, we are using vbox vertical box here and put in as a list here what we want to see. First, we want to see decimal input because we want to enter numbers here, and then we want to see binary output, as you can see. And when I change the number, I'm seeing the binary. Like if I do this number here, binary is this one. Okay guys, if you have any question, please ask me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.